On top inside Edo today, onto Obaseki Agriprenuer matter, 109 farmers na go benefit from Edo State Government 130.8 million naira investment wey they wan put for poultry farming. On top Edo State Government plans to throw body put for agric sector for the state, make food for boku well, na im make Edo State Government through the office of the Special Advisor to Edo State Governor on top agriculture, forestry and food security, Prince Joe Okojie, Sanda put for ground plans for over 109 poultry farmers for Edo, make them for benefit from 103.8 million naira investment where state government won't put for poultry production for the state. Special Advisor to Governor on top agriculture, forestry and food security, Joe Okojie, na im can give this informate to farmers for the sensitization waka wey do to fit take follow farmers them talk, make them for gain from this program. He talk say Edo State Agriprenuer program dey shele, take up say Central Bank of Nigeria CBN dey support am to fit see say food security and money matter e brekete for Edo State.
Godwin Obaseki reminds us that fall in oil prices has given us a timely reminder that we have no choice but to diversify our economy away from oil and into agriculture and manufacturing. So that's why CBN came on board and said, look, for anybody that is ready to be productive, we are ready to give you money for them at a single-digit interest rate. That's why the governor and I went to CBN and we secured this loan that we are giving you for this production.
It talks say 109 farmers na im dem go sama 1,000 beds with production cost of 103.8 million naira to fit get better sales for this owewe season wey don waka come so. Special Advisor talks the state government no go allow any farmer go use wetin dem give am for another thing, as some farmers don first do for some program wey dem do for this agripreneurship so. As the farmers wey go gain from this opportunity go need to open bank account and dem go give them loan wey go get 9% interest, as dem go still sell the birds dem give off-takers.
Small and medium scale enterprise for farmers at a single-digit interest rate of 9%, which is the resources that you are going to tap into. All produce must be sold to off-taker based on the agreed price without side selling, abide with the agreed terms of lending and repayment. In this case, you remember I told you earlier that we are going to take care of the entire value chain from end to end. So in this program, we will not tolerate side selling. Everything is going to be sold to the off-taker that we sign our MOU with, and the funds are going to be paid into an account where your account will be credited, and at the end of the day, we will take out the loan and the 9%, and the profit will be left in there for you. So once we start, what we are going to do is the initial funds for the production is going to be credited into your account. I hope we have all open accounts with Sterling Bank here. Yes. Okay. It's going to be credited into your account, and you cannot touch it. There's going to be a lien on the account.
Okojie tell the farmers them say make them put body well for this agripreneurship program, sake of say production dey waka go well. Ian say government plan for another phase of agripreneurship program na to throw body put for pig farming. Edo State Chairman for Fadama Federated Farmers, Chester Ogeva, he salute state government for this ogbonge opportunity, as Ian said this one go increase work and money matter for poultry sector for the state. He talks say many people dey we wan do agric business but money dey do dem ojoro, but dem happy well sake of say state government don give loan to fit catapult poultry farming for farmers dem for Edo State.
Today, I'm saying thank you to the state governor and to the FCA and to the farmers as well. For them, with the farmers, we are ready. Those days, farmers are there, but we don't have funds to do it. Now, the state government take it as a challenge that the farmers will be accessible to fund. With the farmers, we are ready to farm. And we are saying thank you to the governor for this laudable program.
Many of us don't know before. You see, and this kind of way now, way of employing people, when we say, at least with the lecture when we go now, we don't know so many things about them. What we don't know before, we don't know. And we dey happy say, it can't connect us to CBN. When we bring our money, before farmers just they suffer, nobody they support us. You see, with all this support now, we don't get power. When we say, we feel they farm well, do them big, do them with happiness.
You have to understand that most of our productions are rain-fed. We don't have the luxury of irrigation, so we are at the mercy of the rains. So, so far, we've done great. Like I said, I'm interested in production. I have not started taking stock of what we have done, if we've met target or not. But I think even if we don't meet the target, we are pretty close.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. As Edo State Government don ready sama farmers for Edo State wey dey for poultry farming with ogbonge investment of 130.8 million naira. Make poultry farming may for waka go up. Make una no forget say this ogbonge and sharp informate so na Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo. And to continue to get these ogbonge informate as dey shele for Edo State, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for Live Media TV. Now visit follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.